Hey, welcome everybody to Taiwan. My name is Sam Sutchaleo. Today we're gonna do pad thai, and I appreciate everybody been tuning in uh, to uh, to the cooking video we're making here, and I hope everybody enjoyed it. Okay, appreciate it so much. We're gonna do pad thai today. Pad thai is one of the best Thai dish of all. Okay, if you know any Thai restaurant, if you're not doing pad thai right, I tell you what, your restaurant's not that good. But hopefully everybody enjoy it. Okay, I'm here to walk here a little bit. We do pad thai pork today. Okay. I'm gonna fry up the tofu and go go into pad thai later. Like I said, this dish is very popular in our restaurant. Nice and crispy. Okay. Drain the oil out. And put this aside for a little bit. Get my meat going. You can use any kind of meat you want: chicken, beef, shrimp, pork, of course. All right, go ahead and add my vegetable, bean sprout. I got some onions, carrots. Okay. And then my noodles, rice noodle, thin rice noodle. This is scrambled egg I cooked earlier. I got some fish sauce. This is a house sauce, a garlic ginger sauce. And tamarind sauce. This is the sauce right here. Go to pad thai. I'm using this for pad thai only. And we got a little dark soy sauce. And combine that. Get all the flavor in there, all the same color. All got pad thai pork. How beautiful that is. Okay. I'm gonna finish the garnish with a little bean sprout, carrots, and a little bit of cilantro. Okay. Ground peanut. Okay. And we got pad thai.